Faster, 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 faster. Bam, 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 bam. Yes, that's good. Footwork, good. Slip out, alright? So move back. Here. Go. Work on your footwork. Go out, go slip, go duck, boom. Jab, cross, hook, cut, whatever. Just break the line, move out. Okay? Alright. For a cut, so you have to see the opponent. उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ डिस्टेंस है. So see, maybe I can do this. Change कर अपने posture position. So I could do a jab. So here, all right. Don't make contact, but at least see where is the opening. Slow में करेंगे. So now, what is that I can do? He can do this. Okay, he cannot go here because his hand is here. So when I do this, then I can go for a, a hook. So see how your opponent is opening up and then accordingly do things. Okay, chalo. Alright, here, wherever. The other hand, he goes. So what you are doing, you're blocking and striking simultaneously. We are not doing a karate stuff. Go. So takes a lot of time. So we go. Wherever. Abhi iska haath niche tha, to my hand went like that. It depends. It can come from wherever. Go. Down. Alright, so now come here. He came here, so I went from here. So I'm doing a blocking and bursting with the same hand, which is part of Wing Chun. So in karate also we do this, we block and strike. So let's say he punches, blocking and striking with the same hand. So it goes like this. So alright, it's sort of a push because I'm doing this movement and then pushing. ये किसी kata में भी होता है. So I'll show you. So okay, so I'm going here. Take one and then two. So if done fast, go trap. Got it? So this is what we're going to do. Bursting. We'll do it with a knife. Knife is. So first he goes for a strike here on the face. Here. If he comes like that, I have to watch my head. I can't do it like this. It will go and poke my eye. So I go sideways, cover myself. You remember the concept of window? Remember that? So it's a window. So मेरा पाँव खराब है. So 1, 2, create distance, move out. All right. Done in a bar or something like that. There go. Kick low. मुझे पता ही नहीं करना क्या. ठीक है? So we are doing this. Just combine it with a kick. So first go easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then combine it with a kick. Understood? Let's go. Suggest. So even if it comes here, this is okay. Rather than doing this here. एक तो इतना टाइम नहीं है हमारे पास कि ये करना या here and grab, it will move out. So the better is use the joint manipulation and take it out. इसको बाहर फेस के आगे से avoid taking it. ठीक है? जैसे यहाँ पर भी हो रहा है, ये अटैक करता है फेस. So don't wait for him. Now kick because उसका already knife दिख गया है. Don't wait for him to take a strike. अभी तो हम practice कर रहे हैं. Go. So now if he has to stab, he has to come close. यहाँ से तो होगा नहीं. यहाँ से तो सिर्फ maybe just a slice. So when he comes close, that's your time to go inside and keep this window. Remember this concept of window. So here. So it's a closure. See, go. Even if I'm able to do nothing here, elbow, use this 3/4 window. Okay, so here or just elbow strike. He can cut my hand, which is okay, but face नहीं, हाथ तो कटेगा ही कटेगा, उसमें तो कोई डाउट ही नहीं है. Understood? Let's go. चलो. You good? And stop. Okay. नहीं use करना. Step, 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 step. Oh, dangerous.
लाइन क्यों नहीं ब्रेक कर रहा?
लंबे ना.
अच्छा, उसके हाथ लंबे हैं, तेरे छोटे हैं. And stop. चलो चलो. देखो, चलो चलो. देखो. Okay. Now let's understand first thing. My first premise is to save myself. Don't fight like this. You're fighting like this. Go. So go like that. Go away. Go away. No. Hey, hey. Go away. Keep that arch. Try and keep the knife away. This is your wound hand. इस पे कुछ ना कुछ आएगा ही. So and फेस पे आएगा क्योंकि फेस पास हो गया. So I have to keep my hands here. यहाँ नहीं आ पाएगा. इधर लगा, टच करा. Difficult. Here I have my hands. They will get cut. I know. So keep your body arched. Keep it here. So wait. See what you can do. Now there is no disarming happening. And try and transfer the aggression. Your bare hand. If I go like this, no aggression, he will eat me. If I am aggressive, see? You have to be aggressive. Understood? चलो कन्या. Record कर लिया?
हाँ.
Careful. Yes. No. Oh,
The
hello.
body bend like this.
What is this? What is that? I know you are one hell of a
Body को bend
Come on,
करके
man.
हाथ को ऐसे.
Keep your hands here. Here. Arch your stomach inside. One. Go. Oh! She got it. This is deadly one. Fatal. Here you got it on head. The worst thing to do against a knife attack is go on same attack. Is do this. Or whatever you do, here. You have to see. Keep it away. Maybe stop it like this. It's still okay.
कंट्रोल में थोड़ा.
Still okay. Then now you don't know what is happening.
मेरी आँख पता नहीं क्यों रहा.
Putting it in your.
That's like the first
Yeah.
very reflex.
चलो. Continue. Hands in front. Yes. Both the hands together. Got it in back.
आराम से
Swaran is a badass today.
Smriti effect.
अब वो तुम्हें छोड़ेगी नहीं. Good job. Switch. And move back. Move back quick. Continue Abhishek. Tired? You're not looking at the knife. Knife has already made a contact on your chest. तू बताना इसको कि knife लग गया इसको.
बताया था सर मैंने.
हाँ. तूने हाथ चेंज क्यों कर दिया? Okay. Keep your fingers open, Swaram. Blocking hand.
Blocking hand, okay.
How can you punch with the open finger? शाबाश. गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल पे. चल शाबाश, अच्छी वीडियो बनने वाली है. चल
बंद करके